Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Find My Device on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Find My Device is a tool that will help you when your device gets lost or stolen. You can find it on a map using GPS, or you can wipe its data so no one will access your private data when the phone is stolen. Go to Settings and then go to Security and Privacy, Device Finders, and now click on Find My Device and you can disable or enable it. To disable or enable it, enter your device password. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.